Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 ways of making the 30 beaded ball. So the first one, we will do it without any different color. So we will do it with one color, and then next I will show you how to mix it with another color, as you can see this design, and then in the third one I will show you how to have one color in the middle like this. Please pardon me for the noise in the background. Okay, so first of all, we are going to learn how to make it without any design. So you will need your beads, your keychain, fishing line, scissors, and that is it. Okay, so as the name goes, 30 beaded ball, and so the 30 beaded ball is derived from the number of beads that is used to make this beaded ball, or to make this ball. Okay, so let's count it in twos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 times 2 is 30. So you need 30 beads to make this ball. So now let's get started with the first design. So I've already cut out my fishing line, as you can see. In the first step, I'll pick 5 beads. So this is 4, and then I'll cross the 5th one. So we have this now. Next, and so in making beaded, the 30 beaded ball, you have to be conscious of how you use your fishing line. So this is left because it is my left fishing line. This is my right fishing line because it is my right hand. Okay, so I will be picking the beads with the left fishing line, and I will be entering it with the right fishing line. Let's take note of that. So next I'll pick 4. And so I place 3 on the left fishing line, and I'll cross the 4th bead. So since I said I'll be entering with my right fishing line, I will enter the next bead here with my right fishing line, just 1, and I will pick 3. So if I pick 3, definitely you know that I will cross the 3rd one. So I will enter the next bead again with my right fishing line and pick another 3. Once again, I will enter the next bead with my right fishing line and pick 3. This time around, I will enter these 2 beads here. But before I continue, let's do a recap. So in the beginning I picked 5, and then the next step I picked 4, 3, 3, 3, and here I'll pick 2. So you pick 5, 4, 3, 3, 3, and then here you enter 2, and then you pick 2. So next I will enter this bead here and pick 3 beads. Next I will enter 2 beads, the next 2 beads. And I'll pick 2. The reason why you have to be mindful of which one to enter and which one to pick the beads with, if here you make a mistake and then you enter it with your left fishing line, the ball won't form well. Okay, so next I will enter the next 2 beads. Pick 2. Enter the next 2 beads and pick 2. So now if you counted your beads well, you will have 1 bead left at this point. Okay, so when you see that you have 1 bead left, with the fishing line that you are entering the beads with, you will enter 3 beads. So the next 3 beads towards the right, because we are entering the right fishing line. So 1, 2, 3. And then pick the one left and then you cross it. Okay, and this is what we have, the 30 beaded ball. But you're not done. You can see that this part is not connected and so it is open. So after crossing the last one, still with your right fishing line, you enter these 4 beads to meet the left fishing line here. Okay, so now that it has met the left fishing line, that is where you fix your key chain. Okay, so I fixed it on one side of the fishing line. It could be left, it could be right, and then you tie some few knots. We are done with our first design. Okay, very beautiful. So now let's move on to the second design. So with the second design, you will need 2 colors obviously. So I have the yellow ones 10 and the red one 20, making 30. And so I'm going to use the yellow in place of the orange, where we have the orange color here. So let's get started. So I will start with the yellow. I'll pick 5. So I'll be entering with my right hand and then I'll be picking with my left fishing line, sorry. So I'll continue by picking 4 of the red. So I'll enter the next yellow bead. Pick 3 red. Enter the next yellow bead. Pick 3 red. Enter the next yellow bead. Pick 3 red. Next, I will enter the next yellow bead together with the red bead here, and I'll pick 2 red. So pay very attention to this part. So next, I will enter the next red bead here, and I'll pick 1 red, 1 yellow, and 1 red. So I pick 3: red, yellow, and then red again. I'll enter the next 2 beads and pick 1 yellow and a red. Enter the next 2 beads, pick 1 yellow, 1 red. Enter the next 2 beads, 1 yellow, 1 red. And here I will enter the next 3 beads, the next 3 red beads, because it's left with just 1. So when you are left with only 1 bead, that is where you enter the next 3 beads, and then you pick the last one and then you cross it, and we are done. So since I taught you how to fix the chain, this I'm not going to fix a chain, so you can go back and watch that part. So I'm using my right fishing line to enter these yellow beads to meet the the left fishing line here, so that I can tie. And so that is where, if you are adding a keychain, you add it. Very simple. Now let's move on to the 3rd and final design. So this is our 3rd and final design, and so you will need 20 beads and 10 beads with different colors. I'll be using the pink and the blue. So the blue is 10 and the pink is 20. Okay, so I'll go ahead and cut my fishing line. Here I'm starting with the pink, so I'll pick 5 of them. What you have to note is after this step, you not enter any bead. You will pick 4 before you start entering the beads 1 1. Okay, so here I'll need 4, and then the 4 I'll pick, 1 pink, 2 blue, and a pink. Okay, so this is where you start entering the bead. So I'll enter the next pink bead here on my right because I'm entering my right fishing line. I'll pick 3, so 2 blue and a pink. Enter the next bead. Pick 2 blue, red, and a pink. Enter the next bead. 2 blue and a pink. Enter the next 2 beads and pick the 2. So at this point you see that it's left with only 2 of the blue. So I will pick those 2 beads, blue beads. So from here I'll continue with just the pen because that is what we are left with. We are done with our ball. Okay. So these are our designs for today. So this was the first design, the second one, and the third one. Okay, so if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because I've got a whole lot of package for you guys. So if you don't subscribe and hit on the notification bell, you will miss a lot. So kindly subscribe now before the video ends. Alright, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.